Well, so we have a train here at Walbridge Road.
Waiting a long time.
Walbridge Road. This time on the NS Toledo district. And once again, I have never videoed a train here on this NS line before. Sounds like it might be a heritage, but
It's the 865.
no. If it was, it would not have a bottom lights. I mean, if it was.
Yeah, you can see his lights coming in pretty clear now, huh?
No, he's only about.
Come on, train. We've been waiting for you.
He's only about
a while.
3/4 of a mile. How far is he by 579? About.
He's just about. I guess quarter of a mile, maybe a mile.
No, that's Williston down there.
Yeah. Well, okay.
He's only about a quarter of a mile from this, but watch. But watch. Let's figure out if the gates are backwards. What's the headlight look like? He's about only about.
Yeah, he's only about a mile now. Here's his engine.
Yes. It is raining out here. If you cannot.
There goes the gates.
Listen.
Missing road.
And thanks for telling me he was a mile. Oh, Daddy.
What? Well.
Thank you for telling me that he was a mile and he wasn't.
Oh, he was. You gotta learn your distance.
Watch this. Long, but okay.
Right?
Okay. Okay, so that's it.